Hey there. Today we're making low-carb jalapeno beef burgers. These are just like a real burger, except instead of a bun, we use lettuce leaves. What makes these burgers stand out, though, is the secret ingredient. We add diced jalapeno right into the patty for amazing taste and just a hint of heat. Before you get started, we need to preheat the hot plate on a barbecue or grill to a medium-high heat. Okay, first up, we're going to finely dice an onion. I like to slice the onion, not quite all the way through to the root, then turn it round and slice in the other direction. This is a quick and easy way to dice an onion. Next, we're going to finely dice the sliced jalapeno. Make sure you get it diced nice and small. Okay, now we make the patties. In a large bowl, add the beef, the diced onion, and the diced jalapeno. Then add the egg, mayonnaise, hot sauce, and then season well with salt and pepper. Now for the fun part. Make sure you have clean hands. Mix the ingredients together with your hands until well combined. You want a wet, sticky mixture with the ingredients well distributed. Divide the mixture into evenly sized balls, one per serving. Now shape into patties. Allow the patties to rest on a plate for a few minutes. Your hot plate should be ready by now. Pour a little bit of olive oil on your hot plate and spread it around to make sure it's well coated. Place the patties on the hot plate and fry for 4 to 5 minutes until the bottom is well browned. Flip the burger patties. Add your bacon to the grill. Fry the patties and the bacon for another 2 to 3 minutes. When the patties are nearly done, add a slice of cheese to each patty and continue cooking for another couple of minutes. Meanwhile, we need to get the other burger fillings prepared. Separate and wash the lettuce leaves. Slice the tomato and avocado and any other fillings that you want. Now it's time to assemble the burger. Place a lettuce leaf on a plate and a burger patty on top. Add the sliced tomato and the gherkin and the avocado. Add mustard or mayonnaise or a low-sugar ketchup or any other low-carb sauce that you want. Lastly, top it with bacon. Fold the sides of the lettuce leaf up and pick it up like you would a regular burger. Voila! Enjoy your burger.